Put crackers in a sandwich maker for a treat better than grilled cheese. Let's start by greasing a sandwich maker with a bit of margarine. After greasing, we'll add some water crackers. Next, spread a little cream cheese on each cracker. Add a slice of ham. Then some mozzarella cheese. And on top, another slice of ham. Sprinkle a bit of oregano. Let's add another layer of crackers. Now close it and let the cheese melt completely. Alright folks, our snack is now ready. Just slice and enjoy. Look how incredible it turns out. Super quick, easy and delicious. Perfect for breakfast or afternoon tea. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick recipe from Poor Man's Kitchen. Big hugs, see you next time and thanks.